Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin got rejected by, well, the resistance around $92,000 is something actually I was expecting. And well, actually I am in short. Let me show you here. First of all, in 1 hour chart, let me show you here, Bitcoin was testing resistance. Why resistance here? Well, it's because if we go to 4 hour chart here, as you can see here, this area of confluence, two areas of resistance, right? First one is, this is the volume profile here, the big one here. And also we have all this area as resistance, $92 and $92,000. Of course, a potential spike to maybe 94, yes, but all of this area of resistance. So what I did is very simple. Every time when I saw Bitcoin firing a sell signal here around $92,000, I open a short position here, and actually I am in profit. I am still in short because 1 hour chart is not my target. Actually, 1 day chart is my goal. Let me show you here. Let me show you here in 4 hour chart. I'm waiting for this sell signal to fire here in 4 hour chart, maybe potentially today, and everything goes well. The target should be around $88,000 around this area of volume profile here, this area. But if we see this drop, I am looking for a 1 day chart sell signal. Actually, we have the confirmation today. Actually, ADX negative here. Volume actually is not very good right now here. So I'm looking for a potential swing short position, looking for $88,000 and $88,000 and also around $86,000 as a second target. If I am lucky, I will start looking for $80,000 and potential maybe, only maybe around 75K. So, but let's see, because right now we have something very interesting for me for Bitcoin. Let me show you here. 1 second. Let me see. Okay. So as you can see, let me show you here something very interesting here. We have something I really like, especially when I am looking for big moves. We have low volatility. You see blue color here. That means volatility is extremely low. And usually when you see this kind of volatility is when actually you can expect an explosive move. So in this case, at least the next 10 days is gonna be to the downside. Sideways here, sideways, downside, okay? So right now, following my system trading, technically the countdown started today. Here, from here, we need to count around 10 days. So this December 9th, around all this time here is the period we have to wait for the potential short position, right? All of this area. This is the time we have to wait potentially to see results. Okay, so I am in short right now. I am in profit. I will not lose this trade because risk management is extremely important. Actually, risk management is everything here. Okay, I'm gonna share with you something. Let me see here. Yep. No, one moment. This is I'm gonna share my Discord here, and I'm gonna show you something. Yeah, I'm gonna share with you this because I want to be transparent with you, all of you guys. For example, here, this is my Discord, and as you can see here, we have. This is a screenshot of my PNL. This PNL is coming from the exchange I'm trading. It's not my application. It's not my personal trading journal. And as you can see here, this month, December, I am up 11%, where actually, as you can see, Monday I made 270, Tuesday 330, Wednesday $45, and of course Thursday and Friday I lost. But if you pay attention, Sunday and Monday I have very small losses, like only $3, only 0.16 cents, and also Sunday, I think Monday, sorry, I lost $9. And it's because my stop loss or my entry, I started with a stop loss. When you see, and I move, when I was in profit, I move my stop loss above my entry. That's why I am just paying the fees. Technically speaking, I just took only one loss. like here in Thursday, December 4, I lost $286. But as you can see here, most of the time I am paying the fees and my losses are very small. So that's the reason why actually I am in profit right now, because first of all, my win rate is quite high, I think, for now, right? For now, but also risk management is extremely important. Yeah, that's why I'm serious about this, please. It's not about how much money you can make; it's how much money you can lose. So you need to protect your entries, risk management always. Yeah. So that's the reason why I am not. If you wanna trade in the long term and you actually want to make money consistently, risk management is very very important. Okay. Let me continue with the technical analysis. So formally speaking, right now Bitcoin is fired a sell signal. Right now I am in short at $91,900. That's my position. And from here I am looking for around $86,000, 88. And second target is around 82, 80K. If we see 82, 80K, I will start looking for $75,000 because we have the conditions. The conditions is low volatility, very low volatility, and that's actually one of the biggest reasons why I'm looking for this short. Now, let me show you the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we have actually, I'm gonna remove all of this. And as you can see here, we have this candle here. This candle here is indecision. Technically, it's just 50%, 50%. So basically, it's just sideways. The market is not. We don't have actually a real direction right now. Something I can tell you right now is, as long as the ADX is positive here and is crossing this gray line, this gray line, it's gonna start trending to the downside in this case. So this week is very important. If you see the leg down, actually I'm expecting, you have to see something. We have to see something else. If you are bullish, we want to see. You have to see Bitcoin closing above the MA100, but honestly, I'm thinking that is not gonna happen, not anymore. I think there is a very high chance Bitcoin could break this week the MA100. If that happens, the next target should be around this area of volume profile here, around $74,000, $77,000, and from there potential bounce, maybe yes, but honestly, if we see 75, 74, I don't see any reason why Bitcoin should hold this area. Actually, I would start looking for $65,000, $67,000 around there. So I think this week is what is going to be very important. Now, the next chart I want to show you here is USDT. USDT is looking like it's about to break. We will see a breakout here very soon. This is actually accumulation here. Remember, this formation is accumulation for a long time, since 2024. And of course, the volume is very, very healthy. Let me show you here the monthly. The monthly, beautiful volume. And this is actually a breakout. This is looking for yeah, definitely. This is like a breakout. My concern, as I told you yesterday, is the bi-monthly. First buy signal in this chart. In this chart, since 2015, we have 10 years of price action in USDT, and this is the first time we have a buy signal in bi-monthly. So this is telling me something very, very simple. The bear market is coming. There is a very, very high chance. Let me show you here in 2 months chart here, Bitcoin. We have let me see here. Yeah, okay. Let me show you here. We have actually shooting stars, not just only one. Well, the first candle is a gravestone candle, formally speaking, right? Maybe some of you will disagree. Another is shooting star. But the point here, we have two. And actually, this is actually calling the top of the market. There is a very high probability right now. We are actually facing the top of the market. I could be wrong, of course, yes, but based on probabilities, as you can see, we have a better variance here, right? From the high of 2021 and the high of 2025, we have a better variance, but not just only that, we have 3 month chart with sell signal ADX negative here. The next close in January is gonna actually form the sell signal here with a better variance. So potentially this could be a very, very strong bear market. And let me show you something. I don't want to scare you, but oh my God, this is lovely, you know? Let me show you 12 months, 1 year candle. This If by the end of the year, Bitcoin close below $75,000, oh my God, this is gonna be amazing because we will have, imagine this. If we have, it's just my imagination, okay? It's just a speculation, okay? Imagine Bitcoin close the candle in 2026, something like this, something like this. I'm gonna just change here the background like this. Imagine if Bitcoin close the candle like this. It could be a gravestone candle in 12 months. So that means Bitcoin is actually it could print the top of the market in yearly. Like we could face actually multi-year bear market. I'm very excited about this because I don't want to be super bearish, but I got the feeling like if that happened, oh my God, we will buy Bitcoin prices like you cannot imagine. It's gonna be awesome. I love bear markets, because I have a chance to buy very cheap everything. But let's see by the end of the year. Okay, now right now in one day chart, as I said before, the sell signal formally speaking is here. So the projection is downside, sideways. Okay, where the resistance is actually around $92,000, around here. This is the resistance. We have a lot of resistance here. I don't see the odds are very low right now, at least this week, for Bitcoin to actually break. And also support is around here, around $87,000, this area. I think Bitcoin could actually break this area and potentially we could see a major leg down to $80,000. Okay. I checked yesterday the stock market. I will not do that today. Also, altcoins. Well, this is just an update of this technical analysis of yesterday. So I don't know. I think that's all, guys. I mean, this is actually very short live stream because it's just a continuation of what I said before yesterday. Bitcoin just moved since yesterday only just 2%. So the same technical analysis is applying right now. Formally speaking, we could see a sell signal right now forming the next candle. So here is the direction, okay? There is no volume here, right? There is no volume here, so that's why I actually looking for this short. I am in short. I am in profit right now. My short is here. I am here at $91,900. I am here, and I am looking for, as I said before, first target 87 here, and potentially here looking for another test to $80,000. Okay, guys, I think that's all. I don't have anything to share, because it's just the continuation of my previous live stream. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Okay.